Hi, Keith Robinson from CSI, the Standards Program Strategist, sitting here with Alex Grams, a Senior Specifier.
Excited to learn a little bit about the Standards Navigator feature today.
Let's check out the Standards Navigator. So a very similar search interface allows us to search by number with wildcards, by words with wildcards. This offers a little bit more user interface because it allows us to look back, and it ties in with other tables within OmniClass. So maybe we start on a new search this time, let's say 0440 star, something in Division 4. So stone assemblies, you can see here, it opens up right away. It gives you your MasterFormat 2026 reference on the left-hand side.
Okay.
It now talks about the parent, and you see the children as it rolls down. You can see now the crosswalk, which in this case it's referring to OmniClass table 22, which is basically MasterFormat. And as we roll down, or is that at the bottom of the page now?
Yeah, that's the bottom here where it shows the transition.
So different, as these transitions are developed, they're actually now also introducing transitions from MasterFormat that's into 2020, but also into UniFormat in many cases. So this provides us that ability now to work between different versions. Keeping in mind there wasn't a whole lot of changes in Division 4, so this particular example maybe not as good. So let's try a different search area. Let's go to 0135. I think this received fairly substantial update. So environmental procedures, things were changed quite a bit here. So you can see the children, they come up right away. We're in 2026, and if we scroll down, you can go to look at the MasterFormat 2020 version, click on that number, and that takes you there. So not as detailed. So there's a complete change in the format, because that was one of the areas where they felt that there was a need to expand the depth of that particular number. And yeah, you just found you can now switch between the
tabs across the tabs.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
So if I go up one level, does this then click on that parent? This is all linked. Okay.
So, and there we have our synonyms. We have may include, includes, any of the, oh yes, there we go. Now we have crosswalk. You can see UniFormat table, and it takes you
the Z table. Okay.
The table at the very end.
Oh, interesting. It's cool to see it mapped all the way across.
There we go. For more information, go to theconstructionstandard.com. We'll see you next time.